Hi fourth graders, and welcome to Flex Wednesday. So today we're going to do a little math review based on time that you've done back in third grade. We'll review time as we'd see them on a calendar, and we'd also review time as we'd see it on an analog clock and being able to tell time. After this video, you have work below to do. So let's start thinking about telling time or just figuring out time on a calendar. I want you to take a look at this calendar showing the month of June. And I want you to pause the video. When you do, you have 4 questions I'd like you to answer. I want you to think of which day of the week is June 7th? Which day of the week is June 26th? What is the third Tuesday in June? And what date falls 12 days before June 17th? So we have 4 questions to solve. Pause the video, solve the questions on your whiteboard, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, welcome back. Let's work on solving these together. So the first question asks, which day of the week is June 7th? Looking at my calendar, I see the 7th is right here, and the 7th falls on a Wednesday. So which day of the week is it? Wednesday. Question 2 asked, which day of the week is June 26th? I'm going to go down to June 26th, and I can see that that date fell on a Monday. What is the third Tuesday in June? To do that, I count 1, 2, 3 to find out that the third Wednesday would be on June 20th. And my last problem asked, what date falls 12 days before June 17th? To do that, I'm going to start at the 17th, and I'm going to count back 12 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it looks like June 5th is 12 days before June 17th. Awesome job. We're also going to work on telling time using a clock. This probably looks familiar to you. This is what we'd call an analog clock. It has a minute hand, which is in increments of 5 telling time, and it has an hour hand. You also might notice that next to the 3, it says quarter after. That's one way people would say it's quarter after 3. They might also say half past if it's half past 3. These are 2 other ways to think about telling time. You can break this circle into 4 quarters, or you could break it into halves. That's another way why people tell time. But let's practice telling time using a clock. I want you to remember, 1 day equals 24 hours, 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Today, you are going to work on solving questions that involve time. You'll have time on a calendar questions and actual time questions using a clock. Let's get started.